In this video, I'm going to show you how a man who failed at everything he tried, jobs, business, relationships, finally discovered why nothing worked, and how that moment changed his entire life. Marcus was the kind of guy who tried everything. He launched 3 businesses, all failed. He applied to dozens of jobs, all rejections. He even tried relationships that looked perfect, until they fell apart too. It wasn't laziness. It wasn't bad luck. It was something deeper, something he couldn't see. At 32, he hit rock bottom. He just lost his job and his apartment in the same week. He packed his life into 2 suitcases and moved back home. One night, scrolling through old photos, he realized something. Every time he'd started something, he was chasing escape, not calling. A few days later, he met an old teacher at a local diner. She remembered him, curious, creative, full of potential. She asked, "Marcus, what do you actually love doing?" He hesitated. He'd never really thought about that. He'd only thought about what could work fast. He realized he'd been living on survival mode, chasing money, approval, quick wins. But the things that had always made him come alive, writing, speaking, helping people think differently, were the things he'd buried the deepest. That night, he wrote again for the first time in years. Not for followers. Not for validation. Just to feel alive. He started posting his reflections online, quietly, consistently, without expectation. A few posts got noticed. Then one day, one of his short videos went viral. It wasn't fancy, just raw truth. And for the first time, Marcus didn't feel like he was chasing purpose. He was walking in it. He finally understood why everything used to fall apart. Because he was trying to succeed in things that weren't meant for him. His failures weren't dead ends, they were divine redirection. He said later, "Purpose hides behind the things that refuse to work, until you finally listen." So if life keeps closing doors on you, don't force them open. Sometimes, failure isn't rejection, it's protection. And maybe the reason nothing's working is because something greater is waiting for you to finally stop running and start becoming.